G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a very special episode of the show. Today I'm going to be partaking in the Drinks Tips collaboration with some of my fellow foodie YouTubers. Make sure you check the description below, I'll be posting their videos down there as well. Being a chef, drinks aren't exactly my area of expertise, so I'd like to invite to the show a very special guest.
Hi everyone, I'm Prause. I've been in the hospitality industry coming up 10 years. And today I am going to show you how to make a bomb-ass Frosé. Frosé is basically a frozen rosé, and you mix in strawberries, sugar, and rosé, mix it together, put it in the freezer for about a minimum of 3 hours. I know it sucks, I hate waiting too, but that's why. You have an extra bottle, so you drink that while you're waiting. Now you're going to need to start by pouring yourself a drink. Hello, now you've poured yourself a glass. We can get started. So my favourite personal rosé that I've just recently found is the Bailey & Bailey Rosé. It is 1 litre for only $7. And my personal favourite, the why I picked it up is because you know it's going to be good. Okay, so you need your rosé. The next thing you're going to need is strawberries, about 250 grams. You're going to need your blender. You're going to need white sugar. You're going to need a container to put it all in. You're going to need a sieve and preferably a chucks if you have one, and just really make sure that the strawberry pips don't come through. So one of the first steps you need to do, you need to make your simple syrup, and that's using your white sugar. So you use 1 cup of white sugar to 1 cup of water on the stove, boil that, and then make sure you cool it down before you use it. So now that we have our strawberries cut and our sugar syrup made, it's time to make the frosé. So first of all, you get your strawberries that you cut up, put them into your blender, then you pour your rosé in. Your sugar syrup, whole thing, that's half a cup. And then we blend. Now you need your sieve and your container that you're going to put in the freezer. You can just sieve straight into it to save washing up. I know no one likes to wash up. And when it starts to stick, you want to get your spoon and push down as much of the strawberry that can go through. After you've had the frosé in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours, it should look a bit like this. It still moves a little bit. That's the consistency where it's still drinkable, but just right. So you get your ladle, and you can choose any glasses that you like. These are my favourite, so I love to have my frosé out of these. Now this is obviously more than one standard drink. That's just the way I like it. And then you finish off with a cute little strawberry garnish. But my favourite part of all is you share them with a friend. Boogie? Not too sweet, not too sour.
Prause, do you have anything to say to the viewers before you head off?
No. Let's just get stuck into it.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching today's Drinks Tips collaboration. Make sure you check out Chef Adventures, Just Ate, Yesterkitchen, and Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff, who were also in the Drinks Tips collaboration. Check their channels in the video link description. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's content. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of Prause, and I'll see you in the next one.